episode, YouTube episode number 74, Sanskriti Kolkata, is a very special episode because it's an ode to all the karigars who spend so much time in doing needlework. So this episode is only on hand embroidery. So please keep watching. Product number 1 is on pure tussar hand katha. I do keep showing lot of kathas, and hand embroidery without katha is just incomplete. So this is product number 1, digital print with hand katha embroidery. This is fully done in hand needlework. Price 8,800 in zari woven tussar. See the embroidery, handwork, hand embroidery throughout the border outlined. Lovely digital print in geometric. Fully work. Those who don't want too much of embroidery or too much just to go out even for semi-formal occasions, these are really nice because these are not too much of, even for corporate wear, these will be very, very nice. Corporate meetings, for any doctor meetings. So these will be really nice even if you want to go to any small gatherings, but you have to look uncommon. Unique. This is very unique because it's a turquoise blue blouse piece with katha work in the blouse. This is the batik done in the upper part in the pleats. This is the sari. See, pure tussar, desi tussar with zari woven border and katha work. Product number 2, a similar one in black. I would like to show how intricate the embroidery is. See the work, see the embroidery. It's all done in Guri Ran Katha, 8,800. Pure desi tussar, zari border. This is the border embroidery. Pallu already shown, 8,800 in black. Black and grey done in off-white. Very comfortable fabric and very, very soft, good quality, and it has a great fall because I'm draping it. You can already understand how lovely the fall is. See the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Soft pure tussar. So product number 3. So 3 colors in desi tussar, zari woven border, hand embroidery, katha. Here is the pallu in brown, 8,800. Here goes the border. So all you have to do is take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp me in the numbers provided, any one of the number. Within 24 hours you will get the reply, and once the confirmation is given, we'll give you the bank details. After transfer, we'll courier it to you. This is the blouse piece in mustard brown. This is the pallu. The whole side. Product number 4. See the geometric. This is a very uncommon, a very unique mode of printing in digital. See, it's kind of an impression in geometric. Banarasi woven border. It's pure Munga tussar. See the border, katha. Pallu in katha Very sleek and smart design. 8,800 in pure Munga Tussar Banarasi zari woven border with katha outlined, katha pallu, katha work pallu, and see, it's a very smart looking sari with red blouse piece. The blouse piece will be red with katha work. Here is the sari. Red blouse piece, and wear it with this blouse piece because it's the work in the border is also very smart border. Now this is Desi Tussar with Ari Kashmiri border, and the whole body sequence is handwork. See how finely these have been stitched. This is Ari Kashmiri. Pallu 12,900 with handwork sequence attached throughout the sari. Color is lime green. Pure Desi Tussar. But we all do soft polish, because see the blouse will also have the handwork sequence attached. Throughout the sari will have sequence embroidery. And here is the sari. This lime green color really stands out, and wear it with this blouse only, or if you want to wear contrast you can go for a pink color, the border pink piping color. But I think the lime green color itself is a very sweet, soothing color, and with these florals it's really standing out. Now I'll show you hand katha with in tussar with applique. A very smart designer piece sari in Desi Tussar. See the katha work. Traditional katha embroidery throughout in black and red. This is machine applique, but this is hand katha. So there is a lot of part in it. One black and white, one in natural tussar embroidery in mustard color, and this is again red applique. The upper part also similarly done. Now the pallu part is very interesting. See, these are applique patchwork with katha. The pallu part, these are katha applique patchwork in the pallu. Very interesting, smart pallu. And the price of this sari, product number 6, is 9,500 rupees. 9500, heavy quality Desi Tussar with all over handwork. This mustard red and black combination, very rich, and I'll show you the blouse piece. Here goes the blouse piece in natural tussar color with the border. 9,500 for this. So product number 7. Now I am coming to Kachi work. This is again in Desi Tussar with mirror work. We don't use the mirrors because it's difficult to wash, and one more thing is it becomes very heavy also. So we usually use the mica sheets. So these are handwork, Kutch work in slate color tussar with red embroidery, green piping, 8,990 rupees, 8,990 mirror work, hand embroidery, Kutch work in pure Desi Tussar. We had shown a few more colors in the previous Kutch work episode, but those are all sold out. So these are the new ones that has been stitched, embroidered, and it has just reached the store, so I wanted to show you these. Please visit both the branches, 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 for more options and colors. This is the blouse piece. The blouse piece will have the border, and the back part will also have the buttas. So this is the blouse piece. Border and butta in the back. 8,919 rupees in pure Desi Tussar Kutch work. Now pink, we love pink, and pink with turquoise blue combination. See the work. Lovely shade of strawberry pink color with sky blue, deep firoza, embroidery, handwork, Kutch work, handwork, 8,990 rupees, 8,990. See the back part, all hand embroidery in Desi Tussar. Of course, it will have a blouse piece. 99% saris come with blouse piece. Only a few cotton saris we don't give blouse piece because we'll always announce the ones without blouse piece. But this is actually this look. Tussar, handwork, Kutchi embroidery, and of course the blouse. Here is the border in the sleeves, and this is the back part of the blouse. Another Kutch work with print. In Dupian Tussar, silk pure. See the geometric, the leaf floral geometric print, the brushing along with the digital print in the body. It's in powderish grayish blue color with hand embroidery in the border and the pallu. 9,500 rupees, 9500 in silk tussar, pure Dupian silk tussar, soft, lightweight, and very artistic because it is done in a first it has been brushing was done, and then the printing was done, then the blouse print, then the thread work. So it's a lot of process involved in this sari. See the printed blouse. This is the sari. Very smart, uncommon, and the color is very pretty. Actually these are not very loud, not very bright, but actually these are very classy ones. Now I'll show you one very interesting sari, only one piece, 13,500. Desi Tussar with applique katha. Tulips. It's kind of multicolored. Katha patchwork. These are all katha embroidery done in the applique. Actually these you might say so little work and so less katha or something like that, but actually these are concept saris with crochet border, and each applique separately stitching it is a very time consuming matter. So hence the price is a bit steep, but you can understand the look of it. It's just absolutely a very uncommon designer piece. Just see. I'll show you once again. Each applique is handwork katha applique in multicolored patchwork with embroidery and stitching done outside. This is all handwork. All the branches are handwork with crochet border. This is the pallu, and it's pure heavy quality Desi Tussar in black, jet black. One color, one piece. Extremely elegant, smart sari. Wear it with your designer jewelry, statement jewelry. It will look very nice. Concept saris. And here goes the blouse piece. These will come in your sleeves. You can make small cap sleeve and just till this flower, just make the sleeves just small cap sleeve, very smart looking. Product number 11. Now this is extremely artistic and it took quite a few months to create this sari. Just see the stripes in the sari. This stripe has been done by digital printing. And all earthy colors have been used in these stripes. Horizontal stripe, but it will look awesome look after wearing. And see the embroidery, how intricate each embroidery has been done in handwork in the border. And it's a lovely piece of art. I mean, it's the work, it took so much time because each stitch is so fine and intricate. Even the border is used in pure raw silk. 17,500. Look at the pallu. 17,500. Product number 11. Pure desi tussar hand embroidery. Intricate katha, fine embroidery, extremely fine embroidery, and it's, you know, neighbor's envy, owner's pride. Only one piece, no repetition and no orders. This is absolutely a class apart. The softness of the silk and the whole look of the sari after wearing it. Here comes the blouse piece. The blouse piece color is also very unique. Stunning piece of art. It's a figure correction sari because we have a very wrong concept that horizontal stripes looks broader. No, but these, you know, after wearing it, when you're wearing it in your, you know, pallu part, this doesn't become horizontal, this becomes vertical. See, it becomes diagonal concept actually. So this is the whole look. I love horizontal stripes. I love them. Number 12, again another unique concept with body in digital print, and all digital prints are little geometric. I have not used the regular floral ones, all geometric to give it a class. So these, you know, usually to wear it in formal occasion, and just see these are not attached, these are directly stitched. Hand embroidery work. And these are not the regular kathas that I also keep showing. These are separately done with, you know, sequins embroidery, matte sequins is also woven, and these are done by, you know, very, not the novice karigars. These are done by all very skilled karigars. You can see the intricacy of the work, the threads that has been used, the combinations, the time it will take, because these are all, you know, very artistic work. 10,500 rupees, 10,500, and this is the sari in desi tussar. This is the blouse piece. Even the color is very uncommon. 10,500 rupees. All the prices and the details are already given in the description part. You just have to click on the description part. Press the bell icon for regular notifications. Please like, share and subscribe. And since we have all single pieces, so first come first serve basis. Check desi tussar with French knot embroidery. These have almost, it is very rare to find this kind of handwork nowadays. We used to do it during our SUPW classes, and see, these are French knot with sequins done, clusters of flowers, thick 3D embroidery, stunning piece of handwork with check tussar, natural tussar color, gold check zari, woven zari pallu, 10,500, 10,500. This is the pallu, all zari woven pallu. Throughout it will have the embroidery done. I am explaining each product in details. I am showing you the products in close up, so no more pictures possible to send. But if you want the stills of the product, kindly check onto our Facebook page, which is already given. The link is already provided. You can check out our Facebook page for the stills of these products. This is the pallu. The whole body will have work, and the blouse I have given rich hand work in contrast red. It will have jal embroidery. The blouse piece is totally done in jal work. Parsi hand work, hand embroidery in the back and also in the sleeves. This is the sleeve buta, and this will be the back embroidery. Wear it with this blouse and then send us the picture in Sanskriti Srimoti. It's an awesome combination. The total look will be really pretty. So I have got the opposite combination also, product number 14. This is just the opposite. The body will be in red. Check tussar, body red. Of course, the zari woven pallu. Lovely shade of red. And contrast sober natural tussar color blouse piece. Just see, you can then understand how the work is done. কাজটা পুরো হাতে করা হয়েছে, একটু সিকোয়েন্স হাইলাইট দিয়েছি আমি। আর এটা আসছে হাতের বুটাটা, পুরোটা তসর কালারের সাথে রেড কম্বিনেশন, একদম খুব মানে একদম হ্যান্ড ওয়ার্ক অ্যান্ড দেশি টাসার, তাও আবার চেক টাসারের ওপর। Another check tussar, a very smart, elegant design. Here is the sari. See, the body I have just left it like this because it is black and gold small check with zari border, but see the pallu. If I would have done too much in the body, then the pallu wouldn't have been highlighted. My intention was to keep the pallu and blouse piece highlighted because I am to keep the body, to leave the natural fabric tussar, which is itself very gorgeous. The price is 10,800 rupees, 10,800. See the work. This is applique, and these are embroidery all done in hand and dyed. I've left the natural color of the pallu naturally, and this is the dye part of it. And just see the blouse piece. Like I told you before, I wanted to highlight the blouse and the pallu. So this is the blouse sleeves. This is the blouse back, katha. It's done totally in jacket style. See the front. You can make this the back also. It's a lovely piece. Sleeves. The full work is done in this thing. Half part in katha and half part in applique. So this is in black. Same thing I'll show you in red also. Product number 16. Red. With bottle green work. 10,800. Hand work. Natural dye. And here goes the whole sari in checks. The blouse piece work. Now, just to tell you, this is the sleeve. This is the other sleeve. This is the part that will be inside your pallu part, because see, this part will be inside and the this part will be this part where it will be covered by your pallu part, and this part, the other part, the work will show. So there are 3-4 part of the work there. It's a very interesting kind of a concept. You can make the back also like that. Now comes the crepe, pure crepe hand Parsi, Gara Parsi in pure crepe, jet black, solid border pallu, handwork. See the silk threads that has been used, the back part, party wear, and you know, it's a heritage sari because nowadays Gara Parsi is also become so expensive and very few karigars do these kind of work nowadays. All are into machine. Even we have started selling so much of machine work, can't help it, just to make it economical. But with the range that I'll give you, you'll be surprised, because in this range I'll giving you Gara handwork Parsi. This is the work in the sleeves. This is the sleeves, and pure crepe, no art, pure Italian crepe, and the price is 11,500 rupees in jet black. 11,500 rupees. Now comes in red. This price is 14,900. I'll tell you why. This is red crepe, Italian red crepe, 14,900 with buta. The previous one didn't have buta, this has buta. Multicolored, very uncommon embroidery combination in red. It has running border, all over buta running border. 14,900. Lovely shade of red, deep red, and it goes with all complexion. Here is the sari. We have two branches at Kolkata, 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Sundays we remain closed. So the blouse is full work. This is the blouse sleeves. This is the blouse border, back. The whole blouse is in thread work. The front, back and the sleeves. That is the reason why the price is higher than the previous one. Full embroidery. Front, back, sleeves, full work. So it has a very smart look. You wear it like a crop top and just wear narrow, just put it like this and very lovely. You can really do a smart styling with these also. Now this is in pure Georgette. Pure Georgette Gara Parsi in navy. Handwork. Jal pallu. 13,900. Satin border piping. This is in navy color. Jal pallu. No buta, just solid two borders. I've kept it very smart look. The whole sari will be like this, handwork. This is the blouse piece. And multicolored threads have been used, so it gives a very smart finish. Now I'll show you a magenta color. This is also handwork, Gara Parsi in magenta Georgette. Running border. This color is lovely. I'm showing you all the work very closely. Just see the work, how neat finish. This is the back part. Very neat finish. 15,500 rupees. 15,500 pure Georgette, heavy quality. Otherwise the work will not look nice. These are heavy quality georgette. And see the blouse piece again. It's jal work blouse piece. The full work in the sleeves. You can make the sleeves transparent because it's a very good quality georgette. This is the blouse, the back part, the front part. It's fully jal work. Since it's just border pallu, I've kept the blouse heavy. Now comes black. This is price 15,500 like the previous one. Georgette. See the embroidery, multicolor, but in earthy shades. It's really standing out, the black. All has silk satin piping given so that it gives a good fall, and the finish will also be very good. Heavy quality, pure georgette, hand gara Parsi. So it's taken real long time to create all these. See the blouse piece, all rich heavy blouse piece. The back part. The full blouse is embroidered thread work blouse, jal thread work blouse piece. And the last one is product number 22. You will love this. Pure tussar with extremely fine, neat work. I don't know, I'm sure you could, we can see the work properly, how full, the whole sari is embroidered in katha, and it's extremely fine work katha done in just monotone with red piping and tassels. I have a green piping also. Those who don't want the red piping, I have a green piping and tassels also. Price is 9,950 rupees. Extremely uncommon, and you can do lot of fashion jewelries you can wear with these. It looks really nice, and these tussar color with white thread work looks lovely, and especially because this work is very fine work, not the big floral roses and lotuses that we usually get. See the blouse is also full work. This is the sleeves. Both the sleeves will have the full embroidery in the sleeves. See the sari. It's a stunning piece. It's a lovely piece, and only 9,950 rupees. And lastly, I'll tell you about mine. This is a pure Kora Georgette sari. Kora Georgette in handwork gota patti with pearl embroidery also. Handwork gota patti. The corner buta, konya buta. Lovely tassels also. I'll show you the back part, the finish of the back part. The fine fall is already attached, narrow fall in silk. Even the piping finish, you can see how neatly it is done. It's handwork leher. Anything in black and white, polka, checks, stripes, vertical, horizontal, anything in black and white catches my fancy. So you will see me many, my wardrobe is full of black and white, and with this gota work and embroidery. See, it's a very smart looking sari. It's a lovely party wear, and only one color, handwork. And with this, I will give you this lovely crepe blouse piece. This is the front sleeve, you can make the back also. The blouse is also embroidered. See, this is the back part of the blouse, thread work. This is the sleeves. This is the front part, front open. There's the pattern is already done. We have the tailoring unit. If you want, we can stitch the blouse for you and ship it to you. 8,990 rupees, 8,990 for the sari, 8,990 rupees. The neck piece, you can have a look at the neck piece. It's a premium jewelry with stone work, eddy stone work in mixed alloy. It's silver and gold. Both the colors have been used in this. 2,990 rupees for the neck piece. Just there is the rings there. You can increase the length also. It's a lovely piece, see, and you will get this pair of earrings with this also. It's a lovely piece. Jhumkas. With jhumkas, I really, whoever will get the jewelry, it's really very nice. It's very uncommon. It goes with Western wear also. And this is paid 2,000 rupees, the set of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Set of 4 bangles, 2,000 rupees, the whole set. So if you like the products, kindly share, like and subscribe. You have to press the bell icon and message me if you have any queries. Please do message. Thank you so much. Namaskar.